This is part 4 in gripping staccato, which is a fantastic exercise to achieve relaxation in playing. And now I will show you a gripping staccato with the 5th finger, and we combine it now in this exercise with the 3rd finger.
If you turn your hand like this, the 5th finger are pointing in this direction, towards the middle of the hand. Therefore the move will be like this when you are playing with the 5th finger, the same as with the 4th finger. And when you are making it quicker, it looks like this. And you shall relax in the hand immediately after the gripping move, and let the hand fall back on the keys directly. Start with repeating just the 5th finger so you find the right moves. Concentrate and feel the keys and imagine how you will make the gripping move and then do it. Immediate relaxation and reflect about how it felt. Was it a quick move with the smallest amount of energy? And did you relax directly and fall back on the keys? Now do the same procedure as I showed in the 1st, 2nd and 3rd episode, but now with the 3rd fingers on A in the big octave and G in the 2nd octave, and play the same musical pattern as before, where you continue with the 5th finger on the A flats. Begin very slowly. Do one note at a time. And concentrate first and feel the keys. And imagine how to make the gripping move and then do it. Immediate relaxation and reflect about how it felt. Gripping staccato with a quick reaction, with the smallest amount of energy, followed by immediate relaxation. The same musical pattern as the last episodes, where you start around the A flats and go out to the Ds. After a while, when you can do the moves easily and relax immediately, you increase the speed.
When you have trained all the fingers thoroughly, you start to combine them randomly in this exercise. And the next episode I will show you the gripping staccato exercise involving 3 fingers at the same time. So follow the journey with me and you will improve your playing technique profoundly, because relaxation is basic. And make it easier by clicking to subscribe. So relax and be free.